What is the difference between palpation and auscultation? Have you ever wondered how veterinarians check your pet's health? Two key techniques they use are palpation and auscultation. But what sets them apart? Let's break it down. Palpation is all about touch. When a veterinarian uses their hands to feel your pet's body, they are performing palpation. This technique helps them assess the size, shape, and consistency of organs and tissues. It can also reveal any unusual lumps, swelling, or pain. For example, if a veterinarian feels a mass in your pet's abdomen, it may indicate a need for further testing. During palpation, veterinarians can also check for thrills. These are vibrations caused by turbulent blood flow, often linked to heart issues. They can feel the heartbeat's location and strength, known as the apex beat. This information is vital for understanding your pet's cardiac health. Now let's talk about auscultation. This technique involves listening to the internal sounds of your pet's body, usually with a stethoscope. Veterinarians listen to the heart, lungs, and intestines. In cardiac auscultation, they focus on the heart sounds. The normal heart sounds are produced when the heart valves close. If they hear any extra sounds, like murmurs, it could signal potential heart problems. Both palpation and auscultation are essential in preventative pet care. During a routine physical examination, palpation can uncover abnormalities that require further investigation. Meanwhile, auscultation provides immediate feedback on how well the heart is functioning. When combined, these techniques give veterinarians a fuller picture of your pet's health. For instance, if palpation reveals an irregular heartbeat, auscultation can help determine the cause. This teamwork between the two methods is vital for early detection and management of health issues. In body palpation, veterinarians examine various areas to check for any abnormalities. This can guide them in deciding if additional diagnostic procedures are necessary. For heart health, palpation and auscultation work hand in hand. They help assess heart function and detect any signs of disease. By using both techniques, veterinarians ensure that pets receive timely and appropriate care. This proactive approach helps maintain your pet's health and wellness, allowing them to live a happy and active life. So, the next time you take your pet to the veterinarian, you can appreciate the importance of palpation and auscultation in keeping your furry friend healthy.